Order of operation, like in mathematics we have BODMAS rule, similarly we have a rule in Excel but with a little difference. First parenthesis, innermost first or brackets. Second, exponents or power. Third, multiplication or division. Fourth, addition or subtraction. I hope you have understood the order of operation in Excel. So here is an problem for you. What will be the answer of 3 plus 3 multiply 3 divide by 2? The answer is 7.5. How? To view the calculation steps, go to Formulas and choose Evaluate Formula. When the window appears, click on Evaluate button at the bottom once. First step was multiplication. 3 multiply by 3 which is 9. Second step was division. 9 divided by 2 that is 4.5. Final step, 3 plus 4.5, that is 7.5. This is the correct answer. You can subscribe to our channel to enhance your skills in advanced Excel. Thanks, have a great day ahead.